Hi everyone, I'm really happy to announce that our summer school holiday workshops are now up on our website, ready for bookings. We have limited spots, so book in soon. Our first workshop starts on Monday, the 13th of January, and I really hope that everyone has a wonderful summer holiday and a happy new year.